Hi friends, today we are making Rotukada Kalan, a specialty from the streets of Coimbatore. Many food lovers travel to Coimbatore to have a taste of this Rotukada Kalan. Let's make it in our own kitchen. It is a two-step process where first we make Kalan Pakoda, mushroom pakoda. Take 200 grams finely chopped mushroom and 200 grams finely chopped cabbage. Mix it with maida quarter cup, corn flour less than quarter cup or 1/5 cup, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, rice flour half a tablespoon, red chili powder half a tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, salt to taste. Mix everything well without adding any water to make a pakoda dough, and our pakoda dough is ready now. This is the consistency you should be having. Heat oil meanwhile you mix and add the pakodas little by little. Let it fry until it is nice and golden. Our golden pakodas are ready. After a while, after draining the excess oil, make it into smaller pieces. Next is to make a kalan gravy. This is an instant gravy. For this, take 2 onions and finely chop them. Take few curry leaves and coriander leaves finely chopped. Water 1 cup. Corn flour 1 teaspoon mixed in water. Tomato ketchup 6 teaspoons or quarter cup. Green chili sauce 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half a teaspoon. Now heat oil in a pan, add the chopped onions, save some onions for garnish, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, add salt to taste, just the salt needed for the onions, add red chili powder half a teaspoon. Mix it for a while. Add a few curry leaves. Fry until the onions are nice and translucent. Once the onions are translucent, we will be adding our sauces. Add chili sauce 1 teaspoon, 1 heaped teaspoon. Add tomato ketchup quarter cup or 6 teaspoons. Add water 1 cup. Mix everything well. To thicken the gravy, once everything boils, take 1 teaspoon of corn flour and mix it in little water and add the corn flour to this boiling gravy. Our kalan gravy is ready. Once the raw smell of the corn flour leaves, add the pieced kalan pakoda into the gravy and give it a mix. Our Rotukada Kalan is ready. Now let's taste and enjoy. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves. Transfer this to a bowl and garnish it with finely chopped onions. If you do not like to add the sauces, you can grind tomato, green chili, white vinegar, sugar and salt. I have given it in the description. Follow it and enjoy. Our tasty Rotukada Kalan is ready. Thanks for watching Sri Sai Veg Delights. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to ring the bell icon.